Okay guys, okay, so I'm back now. Position 1, not ignition. Make sure that your screen has this on it. Make sure that you're seeing the miles just like this. And then your parking sensor, your park brake, emergency brake, down there, down here, should not be on. Mine is not on. If it was on, you'd have seen park right there. So now what you want to do is you want to hold, let me get this camera down. It's better. So now I'm going to do hold OK and the call button at the same time. Now it says vehicle data. So now I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to scroll down to brake pad replacement. Press OK. Now it says move to fitting position with OK. Cancel with back. I'm going to move into the fitting position because I'm now going to replace them. Now you hear that sound? Here's that. Now it says moving to fitting position. Now it says fitting position reached. Exit fitting position with OK, but I'm not there as yet. Now let's go in the back and change them. So now I'm going to change it. All right. Okay. Let's do the bad side first. So y'all journey with me while we do it. This right here is the sensor to let you know that your brake is done. Your pads are finished. And here I am using my flat picker tool to detach the connection. It was kind of rough, yeah, but I finally got it, and it's gonna pop loose right about now. So if y'all make it to this point of the video, it would be a nice time to go ahead and subscribe. So let's get back to the video. Alright, sensor is out. At this point, I really wish I had a drill with a hexagon bit. Because man, I'm telling you, those things took so long to screw out. I'm like in my mind, Jesus, why didn't I go for a impact drill? But I got it off. Okay, so I did it. Now this is kind of done. Right there would be where the sensor would then tell you in the car that, hey, your disc pad is finished. But the issue is on this side where it's gone. The ceramic coating is, the ceramic part of the pad is gone, so this is now steel, rubbing on steel while he's trying to stop. So this is the main reason why we're changing it today. Yep. So now I'm gonna take off the sensor, take off the pin, and slide it off, just like that. Now the other side, which is the new one, slide. Oh, I don't have a space for this. See how this has the hole? See how it has a hole right there? These pads don't have a hole. What the hell? Okay. Sorry guys, I took the wrong one up. This is the one that was made for the sensor. There's the hole. Okay, so I can even throw away this. Okay. And yeah, here's the other one on the other side. I was just about to take them back to the store. Yep. So let's go. Let me see. Do I need to take that off again? Oh, no I don't. It actually slides right in. Okay. Really sorry guys, but we gotta end the video right here. Until next week.